The CBC has confirmed all water is contaminated. Avoid all contact.
Confirmed all water is contaminated. Do not shower or drink.
If you drank water or came into contact with water, remain home until further notice. This is an emergency action.
The final phase.
Do not leave your home or current location. This is an emergency lockdown.
The final phase.
Report a contamination suspect to authority near you.
Find shelter. Stay away from water. This emergency. Turkey.
The final phase.
Observe distance from the contaminated.
The final phase.